This series is dealing with a subject that's a little bit painful but necessary. And it's on the mistakes salespeople make that keep them from hitting their numbers. I hope that the lessons that I've learned in my own experience, as well as coaching and training many salespeople over the years, will help you to be more consistent and successful in your sales career. So watch each one of these videos and reflect upon whether you're making these mistakes. All right, here's reason number 3 why salespeople don't make it. You're selling the wrong product or service. I recall back in the mid-90s, I was working for Pitney Bowes for a little while selling mailing machines. And I do mean a little while. I was there for literally 3 months. I understood what I was selling to a degree, but I can't say I was all that passionate about the product. I have to say I took the job because I needed a job and I was hoping I could make some good money doing this. Have you done that before? It's hard to do well in sales when you're not fired up about what you're selling. I truly believe one of the reasons I've been successful as a sales trainer and coach is because I love doing this. It's truly a dream job for me. I believe prospective clients feed off of that enthusiasm. Now, I'm not going to return to the tough call conversations here, although that could apply. Instead, I want to encourage you to find some passion for what you're selling. Perhaps you've not studied it enough. Maybe you need to talk to more customers who greatly value the product or service that you're selling because it solves real problems. Consider spending a day with the top salesperson in the company. I bet they're pretty fired up about what they're selling. By spending some time with them, you might learn a thing or two that gets you excited. You could also consider reading about the history of the company and talking to the top executives about why they are passionate about the company. Going this deep could help you see it all differently. You just might have to do more work to find the excitement. That's what I'm getting at. Does that make sense? That's reason number 3. Find a new passion and energy for the product and service that you sell, because then your prospects and customers will feed off of that and you'll steadily grow your sales and start making your number more consistently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helps you to get a little bit better in sales. Be sure to watch the rest of the series because altogether, they really will propel you forward. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to learn more about my sales coaching and training, visit my website, buildandbalance.com, and click on Sales Training and Coaching. If you want to email me directly, you can reach me at michael@buildandbalance.com. Here's to your success.